Today I'm going to go over the basic operation of the 3M portable filter and regulator panel. The basic function of the panel is really to help clean the compressed air that will be used for a supplied air respirator system. So the air inlet of the panel is over here. That's where you would connect up to the compressed air. You can either hard pipe into the panel, or if you use a flexible hose, then you'll have the ability to kind of move the panel around and be portable for you. There's a pressure relief valve on the inside of the panel here. Pressure relief valve function is to prevent the panel from overpressurizing, so prevent any damage to the system. The pressure valve will release at 125 psi or greater. So next we move into the filtration portion of the panel. There are 4 stages of filtration. The first and second stages are housed here. We've got a particulate pre-filter to take out any particles, rust, or scale that might be in the airline. It will also take out oil or moisture that is in the airline. And there's a drain, a float drain at the bottom here that will allow that liquid to then escape out the bottom of the panel. The third stage of the panel is a carbon bed, so it will take out odors that might be in the airline. And the fourth stage here is going to differ depending on which panel you have. So for the 50 CFM panel, it's a carbon monoxide catalyst to help reduce carbon monoxide that might be in the airline. And then for the 100 CFM panel, that fourth stage is going to be another carbon bed, just like the third stage filter. So the air then passes to the regulator, so you can regulate the air pressure down to whatever range is required by the supplied air respirator system. And then a small portion of that air is taken up here to the carbon monoxide monitor led past the sensor. So the carbon monoxide alarm will go off at whatever set point is required by your country's regulation. You can see on the outside of the panel here, you've got both an audible alarm and then a visual alarm for the carbon monoxide monitor with a jack for either an AC adapter, or you can run remote alarms, a remote audible or visual alarm. Down here you see the 4 hose connection points on the 50 CFM panel. For the 100 CFM panel, you've got a maximum of 8 hose connections. So it's right here that you'd actually connect the hose that goes to your supplied air respirator. So the panel itself is not part of the NIOSH respirator approval. Not NIOSH approved. The hose actually is the start of the respirator approval itself. So that is the basic operation of the 3M portable filter and regulator panel.